best time to start revising was at the start of year 9. But the second best time is right now. So whatever you're doing, drop it and get your head in that book. How should you do that? Well, I've got loads of study tips on my channel. I've got revision for GCSE physics, and I've got advice for how to revise, and I've got worked examples for exam questions. So Guerrilla Physics is the place to be. Make sure you're subscribed. So many people get that question wrong, and they really want to hear the answer. Yeah, just a couple of months before you can start revising. But the best way to make your life less stressful is to start revising now. The most important thing is that you just get on with it and you do it. When should you start revising is not a good question. The answer is you should be doing little and often, and you should be doing it now, whatever you're doing. The best way is to do little and often throughout your GCSEs or A-levels. So whatever point you're at, however far it is from your exam, start revising now. If you've got a longer time, then you can do little and more often. But whatever you do, just get on it and get started. Don't waste your time making a plan, get started. Get started with the bit you find is the hardest. The best way is to do little and often throughout your GCSEs or A-levels. So whatever point you're at, however far it is from your exam, start revising now. If you've got a longer time, then you can do little and more often. But whatever you do, just get on it and get started. Don't waste your time making a plan, get started. Get started with the bit you find is the hardest. If you want to know the evidence behind how you should revise, then watch this video here. And if you just want more general study tips, then check this playlist out. How much revision or how often, that really depends on you, just as long as you are reviewing your learning. So my next question is, how do you revise? What is your best way to revise? Let everyone else know. How do you like to revise?